Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best brake line binders. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, 15 pieces, brake line clips. Ever struggled with loose or rusted brake line clips? Old clips can cause brake hoses to slip or rattle. This leads to annoying noise and even safety risks. Replacing clips often feels tedious, time-consuming. Searching for the right size clip is always a hassle. Introducing these 15-piece metal brake line retaining clips, made of high-quality rust-proof steel for lasting durability. U-shaped design ensures a tight, secure fit every time. Easy to install. Just snap onto your brake hose bracket. Universal size fits cars, trucks, and motorcycles perfectly. No more worrying about hoses slipping or noisy rides. Replace old rusted clips in minutes, stress-free. 15 pieces mean you're covered for multiple repairs. Share extras with friends, family, or neighbors. Upgrade your vehicle's reliability and safety today. Grab your set now and drive with confidence. Number 4, meet the 12 PCS brake line clamp with 12 PCS screw set. Crafted from premium stainless steel, tougher than grandma's meatloaf. Rust resistant, so your brake lines stay shiny, not crusty. Each clamp hugs your brake line tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving. Secure fit means your lines won't play hide and seek mid-drive. Abrasion protection, no more lines getting scratched like old CDs. Vibration reduction keeps your ride smooth, not a maraca concert. Universal fit, cars, SUVs, trucks. If it rolls, it fits. Professional mechanics and DIYers both give it a thumbs up. Easy installation, 12 clamps, 12 screws, 0 headaches. Screw diameter is 6 mm. Your clamp fits 1/4 inch lines. Just check your brake cable diameter, no guessing games here. Keeps brake lines organized, protected, and ready for action. Long-lasting durability, even in harsh weather or wild road trips. Stop worrying about loose lines. Start driving with confidence. Upgrade your vehicle's safety and style with stainless steel power. Number 3, mounting tab for 3/16 brake line. Most brake line failures start with poor mounting tabs. I'm a certified auto technician with 10+ years experience. Many DIYers use weak brackets that rust and break. This leads to loose brake lines and unsafe driving. Let's fix this with AC Performance mounting tabs. These tabs use professional-grade zinc-plated steel. That means maximum rust resistance and long-term durability. Each tab features dual bolt holes for secure mounting. The 3/16-inch holes fit standard brake line adapters. Retaining clips are included for easy, stable installation. I've used these tabs on multiple restoration project. Brake lines stay firmly in place even under tough conditions. No more worries about corrosion or loose fittings. Upgrade your brake line mounts with AC Performance today. Order now for safer, longer-lasting brake line installation. Drive with confidence. Choose professional-grade mounting tabs. Number 2, meet the ABN Automotive tubing bender, your line-bending sidekick. Bends 3/16 and 1/4 inch brake and fuel lines, no sweat. Compatible with brass, copper, nickel, stainless, and mild steel lines. It's like a yoga instructor for your car's tubing, flexible everywhere. Fits into tight spots where even your pinky fears to tread. Makes complex, tiny bends without crimping or dimpling your lines. Long ergonomic handles, grip it like you mean business. Heavy-duty, forged steel construction, built tougher than your uncle's butong. Perfect for brake, AC, and fuel lines, your car's lifelines. Adjust, align, and fit lines even after installation. No need to be a contortionist. Smooths edges with a gentle file. No sharp surprises here. Works so well, your toolbox might get jealous. Trusted by mechanics, loved by DIY repairers, envied by mere mortals. Effortlessly bends, never breaks, like a gymnast in steel boots. Ready for your next project? This tool's already stretching. Number 1. TGR brake line tubing bender. Struggling to bend brake lines without kinks or distortion? Wasting time trying to match old brake line shapes perfectly? Frustrated by tools that only work with one tubing side? Tired of complicated setups and awkward tool handling? Meet the TGR brake line tubing bender, your new solution. Designed for both 3/16 and 1/4 OD tubing, works with steel, stainless, galvanized, copper, and soft metals, handheld or vice mount operation for ultimate flexibility. Convenient handle makes handheld bending effortless and smooth. Easy to use with a 1/4 ratchet or the included square head wrench. 4 tube clamps help you duplicate old brake lines precisely. Just use your original brake line as a template, no guesswork. Achieve professional results whether you're a mechanic or DIYer. Save time, reduce errors, and enjoy stress-free repair. Upgrade your toolbox and tackle brake line jobs with confidence. Get the TGR brake line tubing bender today, precision made easy. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.